Welcome to English Learning from Scratch. In this video, we will explore the simple present tense and its four main uses: habits, routines, facts, and general truths. The simple present is one of the most commonly used tenses in English, so understanding it well is very important for beginners. The first use of simple present is for habits. Habits are actions that we do regularly or repeatedly over time. For example, I exercise every morning means this is something I do regularly. She drinks coffee at breakfast means this is her regular habit. They play tennis on Saturdays means they do this every week as a habit. Use the simple present whenever you want to describe something you do repeatedly. The second use is for routines. Routines are daily schedules and established patterns that follow a timetable. For instance, the bus leaves at 8 a.m. every day is a routine because it happens at a specific time every day. I wake up at 6:30 in the morning describes a daily routine. She goes to the gym 3 times a week is a routine that happens on a regular schedule. Use simple present to talk about things that follow a daily or weekly pattern. The third use is for facts. Facts are objective, verifiable pieces of information that are true. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius is a scientific fact. Paris is the capital of France is a geographical fact. The Earth rotates around the Sun is an astronomical fact. Use the simple present to state things that are factually true and do not change. The fourth use is for general truths. General truths are universal statements and beliefs that are widely accepted. Dogs are loyal animals expresses a general truth about dogs. Money does not buy happiness is a philosophical truth. Practice makes perfect is a general truth about learning. Use the simple present to express timeless statements and beliefs that are true for most people. Now let us learn how to form the simple present. For positive statements, use the base verb or add s or es for third-person singular. For example, with I, you, we, they, we use the base verb I work, you work, we work, they work. But with he, she, it, we add s or es, he works, she works, it works. For negative statements, use do not or does not before the base verb. For example, I do not work, but he does not work. For questions, put do or does before the subject and then the base verb. For example, do you work or does she work? To use the simple present correctly, you should know common time expressions. Frequency words like always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, and never tell us how often something happens. Daily and weekly expressions include every day, every week on Mondays, and at 8 a.m. For repeated actions, you can say twice a week, 3 times a month, or regularly. These time expressions help make the meaning of simple present sentences clearer and more specific. Let us review the key points. First, use simple present for habits, routines, facts, and general truths. Second, remember to add s or es for third-person singular in positive statements. Third, use do or does for questions and negative statements with all subjects. Fourth, use time expressions like always, usually, every day, and never to make your sentences more precise. These 4 rules will help you use the simple present tense correctly in your English conversations.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.